Hello friends, let's have a discuss of NTA TPC मॉक टेस्ट। क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आप लोगों को बता देना चाहता हूँ, प्लीज़ जिन लोगों ने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है वो लोग चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। बात करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट की। द फॉर्म द फॉर्म ऑफ शुगर ट्रांसपोर्ट थ्रू द फ्लोएम सुक्रोज। क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड। Living organisms share the following features except that they are formed by protoplasm, okay, can respire, okay, can reproduce, okay, can prepare food, ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है। क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड। द एंजाइम विच आर कॉमनली यूज्ड इन जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग रिस्ट्रिक्शन एंडोन्यूक्लियेज, जो कि कटिंग के लिए और लाइगेज जोड़ने के लिए डीएनए को कट करता है, रिस्ट्रिक्शंस एंडोन्यूक्लियेज एट अ पर्टिकुलर साइट, और लाइगेज को जोड़ने का काम करता है। क्वेश्चन नंबर फोर। फ्रॉम द गिवन ऑप्शन सेलेक्ट द वन दैट इज नॉट एन ऑटो इम्यून डिजीज, नॉट, ओके, रिमेटोड रिमेटॉइड आर्थराइटिस है ऑटो इम्यून, फिर लूपस इरिथ्रोमेटोसस, फिर मल्टीपल स्क्लेरोसिस, प्लेग नहीं, प्लेग एक बैक्टीरियल डिजीज है जो कि यर्सीनिया पेस्टिस के द्वारा काज्ड होती है। क्वेश्चन नंबर फाइव। Which of the following is incorrect regarding ZWZZ type of sex determination? It occurs in bird and some reptiles. Okay, this is correct, but females are homogenetic and males are heterogenetic. ये just opposite लिखा हुआ है। 1:1 sex ratio is produced in the offspring. Okay. Question number 6. Mark the odd one with respect to nucleosides. Okay. Adenosines, guanosines, uridine. Okay. Cytosine is not. It is. Question number second. Question number 7. Beekeeping is called as apiculture. Question number 8. Which of the following is widely used as a successful biofertilizer is in India rice field for Azolla pinnata? Question number 9. Which of the following is an example of similarity in biomolecules such as DNA, cytochromes, insulin, proteins, thyroxine, etc. in apes and humans? Molecular homology. Question number 10. Use of bioresources by multinational companies and other organizations without proper authorizations from the countries and peoples concerned without compensatory payment is termed as biopiracy. This is most important question. लगभग एक हर एग्ज़ाम में पूछा ही जाता है। Question number 11. When was concept of joint forest management introduced in India? 1980. Question number 12. How many of following plants enter following period is found? Enter following, okay, एप्पल, ऑरेंज, ओके, और जैक फ्रूट के बाद फिर दिया है यहाँ पर मैंगो। हाँ, कि पहले भी मैं एक बार इसको करवा चुका हूँ इस क्वेश्चन को। क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. द ओरल कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव पिल्स OCP एक्ट एज preventing ovulations, making uterus unsuitable for implantation, making cervix hostile for the sperms. Question number 14. Which of the following features is not, okay, not related to anemophilous plants? Not, okay. Light and non-sticky pollen grains, flowers have well exposed versatile stamens, okay. Fair presence of single ovule in each ovary, but numerous colorful flowers are packed into inflorescence. No. Question number 15. Okay, this is a represent of pyramid of biomass in lake ecosystem. Question number 16. Which of the following scientists proposed Rivet Popper hypothesis related to biodiversity and ecosystem for Paul Ehrlich? Question number 17. Which hormone is responsible for the endometrium of uterus regenerates through proliferations of estrogens? Question number 18. In dorsiventral leaf, what is true regarding the positions of xylem? Xylem is towards adaxial epidermis. Question number 19. Archaebacteria differ from eubacteria in cell membrane structures. Question number 20. During the micturations, urine is passed out. Contractions of detrusor muscles and relaxations of sphincters by the parasympathetic stimulations. Question 21. Floating ribs of thoracic cage are 11th and 12th pair. Question 22. The gravy persons and geotropic resonance response of the root is due to starch grains statoliths in the cells of the root cap. Question 23. Wrong. Okay. The growth of bone is bidirectional while that of cartilage is unidirectional. Bone has rich blood supply while cartilage is avascular. Option C. Haversian lamellibranch are the characteristic features of long bones of reptiles. No. फिर spongy bone is rich in red bone marrow. Question number 24. Polycythemia refers to an abnormal increase in the number of erythrocytes. Question number 25. Ladder-like structures is observed in Spirogyra during scalariform conjugations. Question number 26. Male hormone in plant is gibberellin or gibberellic acid. Question number 27. Cells differs greatly in shape, activities, shape, size. All of these are correct. Question number 28. In what aspects are the photosynthetic adaptations of C4 plants can and calm plants similar? In both cases, an enzymes other than rubisco carries out the first step in carbon fixation. Question number 29. Refer to the given table that summarizes the interactions between two organisms first and organism second. Identify the types of interactions. हालांकि ये मैं पहले भी करवा चुका हूँ. Question number 30. The criteria for the essentiality of a mineral element were given by Arnon and Stout. Question number 31. Negative pressure breathing is present in Homo sapiens. Question number 32. Which of the following is incorrect with respect to properties of lipids? They are readily soluble in organic solvents. Okay. They have carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Through the content of oxygen is lower compared to that of carbon and hydrogen. फिर they functions as food reserve in animals, but not. They yield lower energy per unit weight upon oxidations compared to carbohydrates. Question number 33. Given the name of the phase of meiosis in which the chromosome number is reduced to haploid state. Okay. यानी कि n of s first, the amount of DNA is reduced to half n of s second. Question number 34. Which one of the following is correct matching of the site of actions on the given substrate, the enzymes acting upon it, and the end product of a small intestine तो स्टार्च फिर अल्फा एमाइलेज विद प्रोजेंस होकर फिर डाइसैकराइड में कन्वर्ट होता है माल्टोज. क्वेश्चन 35. माल्पीजियन ट्यूब्यूल्स आर एनालॉगस टू फ्लेम सेल्स. A polarized neuron is said to be in resting potential. Question 37. Hormones differ from enzymes in that they are often used up in metabolism. Question 38. Iron and copper. Okay, cytochrome A3 has iron and copper. Question 39. Father of a child is colorblind and the mother is a carrier for colorblindness. The probability of the child being colorblind is 50%. Question 40. What is packing man called as Sinanthropus? क्वेश्चन नंबर 41. अगर बात करते हैं टेम्परेचर फॉर लक्स मीटर नो बॉम्ब कैलोरीमीटर. ओजोन लेयर फॉर डॉप्सन. फिर लक्स मीटर फॉर लाइट. फिर बायोमास फॉर थर्मिस्टर. Question number 42. Opelina lives as an endoparasite in the gut of frog which multinucleate. Question number 43. Select the wrongly matched pair. Ovary to fruit, okay. Integuments, seed coats, ovule for seed, okay. One nucleus, endosperm, no. Question number 44. Mark the wrong statement. In humans, all the three germinal layers are derived from the inner cells of mouse. Okay, correct. Cells of primitive streaks from the mesoderm morula. Okay, ये भी correct है. Morula appears like mulberry fruit. ये भी correct है. But formations of three germinal layers is called blastogenesis. No. Question number 45. Few members of Plantae are partially heterotrophs and parasites. Okay. Animals of a definite growth pattern and grow into adults that have a definite shape and size. This is correct. Question of 46. Peppermint, okay. Stollen, mint में भी होता है स्टॉलन. पिस्टिया ऑफसेट and chrysanthemum for sucker. जास्मिन में स्टोलन देखने को मिलता है. Question 47. The rate of secondary succession is faster than primary succession because soil or sediment is already present. Question number 48. What is the main difference between a male and female cockroach? Conglobate gland. Question number 49. Gymnosperms are different from angiosperm in absence of ovary. Question number 50. Which of the following is not involved in the post-transcriptional modifications of primary transcript in eukaryotes? Removal of RNA primers from the hnRNA is not. is not involved, but additions of 7-methyl guanosine triphosphate at 5' end of hnRNA, tail rings at 3' end, removal of introns and joining of exons in the coordinations manner. Okay. Question 51. Most of the tissue and cells types represent for maturation phase. Oh, this is very easy question. पेडिग्री की बात करते हैं. Parents are heterozygous. Question 53. Panthera tigris is the national animal of India. To increase the population, Project Tiger was started in India. Which of the following method is used for its census? Pug marks or fecal plates? Question 54. Which of the following shows hot spots of biodiversity, high degree of endemism? Question 55. The process of RNA interference has been used to make tobacco plant resistant to Milodogine incognita. Question 56. A passive hydrothores comprises a group of loosely arranged colorless and parenchymatous cells known as epithelium. Question of 57. Streptokinase is produced by bacterium Streptococcus and modified by genetic engineering is used as a clot buster for removing dots from the blood vessels of patients who have undergone myocardial infarctions leading to heart attack. Question number 58. Out of the following, which conditions are favorable for cyclic photophosphorylations, anaerobic and low light intensity? Question number 59. Total number of haploid nuclei involved in double fertilization 5. Question number 60. In which of the following is exarch type of arrangement of primary xylem seen in roots? Question number 61. Different types of alcoholic drinks are obtained on the basis of both raw material and types of processing. Question number 62. How many of the followings are required for the successful implantations of reproductive health action plans? Infrastructures, facilities, professionals, expertise, material support. 3. How many types of the required successful implementations, reproductive health actions plans, infrastructure facility, okay, professional expertise of material support, okay, 3. Question number 63. Pentamerous actinomorphic flowers and bicarpellary ovary with oblique septa and fruit as a capsule or a berry are characteristics features of which of the following are solanaceae? Question 64. All of the following statements are correct except छोड़कर. Vitamin K is used for synthesis of prothrombin. Okay. Deficiency of clotting factor 9 causes Christmas disease. Citrate and oxalate act as an anticoagulant by chelating calcium from blood. फिर ऑप्शन नंबर डी. ब्लड क्लॉट इज फॉर्म्ड बाय द पॉलीमराइजेशन ऑफ मोनोमर्स ऑफ फाइब्रोनोजेंस. नो. Question number 65. The storage of energy at consumers level is known as secondary productivity. Question number 66. Out of the following which one is incorrect about viroids? Okay, viroids के लिए incorrect है. They are larger than virus. No. Smaller than virus. फिर they were discovered by Teodiner. Okay, they are infectious ssRNA molecules. They are known to cause disease in plants only. Question number 67. What will be the blood group of their child if a couple have ABO blood group, genome IAIB, A, comma B and AB? Question number 68. Hypersecretions of growth hormones during adulthood causes which of the following are acromegaly? Question number 69. Out of the following, which one is a correct statement? All biomolecules participating in the metabolic pathways have a turnover. Question number 70. Out of the following statements, which one of the applicable to the luteal phase of menstrual cycle? Endometrium becomes more vascular and glandular because endometrium are ruptured during menses. Question number 71. How can mitosis be distinguished from meiosis? A single DNA replication followed by single divisions. 72. Find the match which is erroneous. Columba for crow. Question number 73. HIV made up of, this is the protein of P24, P17. I think, okay, but GP protein 120. I think I have not confirm in this question. Question number 74. To which part of the proximal end of the filament of stamen attached the thalamus, okay, फिर and petal? Read the following statements and find out the incorrect statement. The ventral portions of the midbrain consist mainly of four round swelling lobes called corpora quadrigemina, but midbrain and hindbrain forms of the brain stems no, फिर cerebellum do not help in the body balancing, ये help करता है. Incorrect. A and C are incorrect, but midbrain and hindbrain from the brain stem is correct. But the midbrain receives and integrates visual, tactile, and auditory inputs. Limbic system is concerned with the olfactions and autonomic responses. Question number 76. What are the soma clones for genetically identical to the original plants? Question number 77. What does erythropoietin stimulate for formations of RBC? Question number 78. The SER is the major site of synthesis of which of the following are lipid, steroid hormones, and glycogens? Question number 79. Find out odd one for fish. Because starfish, brennoglasses are same but fish are different. Question number 80. Monomer unit of sucrose is alpha glucose plus beta fructose. Question number 81. A naturalist, Alfred Wallace, who worked on the principles of natural selections like Darwin, also worked in Malay archipelago. Question number 82. Fill in the blanks. Many freshwater organisms cannot live for long in sea waters because the surroundings water will be hypertonic to body cells and exosmosis may occur. Question number 83. Out of the four widely known systems of classifications, one remains less phylogenetic and more natural. Who gave the systems of classifications? Bentham and Hooker. Question number 84. The point of mutation: adenine to guanine, cytosine to thymine. Okay, this is okay. Adenine to guanine transitions, cytosine to thymine for transitions, फिर है cytosine to guanine transversion, फिर thymine to adenine for transversion respectively. Question number 85. In a pinnate compound leaf, where are leaflets are born? One plane. Question number 86. Out of the following, in which one is subcellular level of body organizations found in protozoans? Question number 87. Select the true statements for this following weekends. Insulin. Okay, insulin from animal source may develop allergy in some patients. Okay, because the provide of first started in provide in pigs. फिर recombinant insulin do not induce unwanted immunological response. Okay, फिर C peptide is not present in mature insulin, but insulin can be administered on orally to diabetic patient. No, because orally are digested. Question number 88. By whose actions is sound amplified in the human's ear for ear oscills? Question number 89. Read the following statements and identify the properties of genetic code to which it is an exception. GUG normally codes for valine, but at a start positions it codes for methionine unambiguous natures. Question number 90. Regarding the eukaryote flagella, how many of the following features are incorrect? Peripheral tubules, okay, फिर flagella units, okay, tubulin protein, no, फिर dynein protein and active movements, correct, but 3 are correct, 9 plus 0 and 9 plus 2. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस वीडियो. आई होप आप लोगों को वीडियो अगर पसंद आई होगा तो प्लीज़ जिन लोगों ने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है वो लोग चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इसको लाइक करें और शेयर करें प्लीज़. थैंक्स वॉच फॉर दिस वीडियो. मिलते हैं अब नई अगली वीडियो में.